Wondered why Chinese individuals and those of Chinese descent excel in business around the world? Despite being thousands of miles from home, many of them successfully establish and run businesses. A researcher who explored this phenomenon shared some insightful advice that could shed light on their success. Let's delve into the key lessons that emerged from this reflection. First and foremost, the importance of hard work cannot be overstated. Chinese culture deeply values diligence and perseverance. Overcoming obstacles is seen as a rite of passage, and those who embrace this mindset are more likely to thrive. By dedicating themselves to their goals and consistently putting in the effort, these individuals often find themselves rising above challenges that might deter others. This drive to work hard is a fundamental trait that underpins the entrepreneurial spirit and success seen in businesses run by Chinese people globally. Moreover, honesty plays a crucial role in building a successful business. Trustworthiness fosters long-lasting relationships with clients, partners, and employees. When businesses operate with integrity, they create a strong reputation that attracts more opportunities. This principle of being forthright and ethical helps to establish credibility in a competitive market, making it easier for entrepreneurs to navigate various challenges along their journey. Patience and the ability to endure setbacks are also vital components of business success. The path to entrepreneurship is rarely straightforward. It often includes ups and downs. Those who can maintain their composure during tough times and continue to push forward inherently have a better chance of achieving their goals. Endurance in the face of adversity allows entrepreneurs not only to learn from their failures, but also to build a more resilient mindset, which can lead to greater accomplishments in the long run. Additionally, financial wisdom is imperative for creating sustainable business ventures. Saving and expanding investments wisely allows entrepreneurs to leverage resources effectively. Understanding the importance of capital management is a transformative aspect of business acumen. With the right financial strategies, even minimal starting resources, a mattress and pillow, as the advice suggests, can grow into a thriving enterprise. Lastly, it's crucial to recognize the negative words that can undermine our potential. Words like difficult, can't do it, desperate, lazy, and tired can psychologically hinder progress. These words must be avoided to maintain a positive and constructive mindset. Instead of succumbing to negativity, fostering an encouraging self-dialogue can fortify our mental strength, serving as a protective shield as we pursue success in life.
By embracing hard work, honesty, patience, sound financial practices, and a positive mindset, individuals can forge their paths to success. The lessons drawn from the Chinese approach to business can serve as a valuable guide for anyone aspiring to achieve their entrepreneurial dreams.